Good day, viewers. You are welcome to today's math class. Now, let's examine this beautiful equation. We are given that k is equals to k plus 1. Now, is this even possible? That's the first question you should ask. Now, let's look at this from this angle now. You are told that you are given the value of k, and at the right hand side, if you look carefully, we added 1 to the value of k, which shows that this k plus 1 rather is bigger or is greater than k. Therefore, this is practically not impossible. And if you still doubt this, let's collect like terms. So collecting like terms, we are going to have k minus k is equals to 1. So we have 0 equals to 1. So this is still not possible. This is mathematically undefined. Now, and if you still doubt this, else should we do? The next thing we can only do now is to take the square of both sides, and when you do so, you are just creating an ambiguous solution which is still not going to be able to satisfy the value of k in this equation. Now let's try this. First, taking the square of both sides, here we have k squared, and here using the algebra property, we are going to have k squared plus 2k plus 1 squared, which is 1, right? Now, collecting like terms, we are going to have k squared minus k squared is equals to 2k plus 1. Let's bring this. This is going to give us 0, right? So we are going to have minus 1 equals 2k. So dividing both sides by 2 to get the value of k. Now we are going to have k to be equals to minus 1 divided by 2. Now let's move back to the equation. The equation says k is equals to k plus 1. Now let's substitute the parameters. So we have minus 1 over 2 is equals to minus 1 over 2 plus 1. Now let's check whether the value of k satisfies this equation. So we have minus 1 over 2 to be equals to, now this fraction here, we are going to have the SM to be 2. 2 into 1, 1 multiplied by negative 1, we have negative 1. Here also we are going to have plus 2. So we are going to have minus 1 over 2 equals 1 over 2. So this is not possible. Therefore, moving back to the original equation, this is not possible since k cannot be equals to k plus 1. Guys, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.